The OneSpan sign for Salesforce pre-integrated app allows sales teams to shorten sales cycles and close deals faster with electronic signatures. Reps can prepare and send sales contracts, NDAs, purchase orders, or any other document requiring a signature without ever leaving Salesforce. To start, select the Transactions object at the top of the screen. In this scenario, I'd like to send my prospect, Robert Ray at Acme Inc., a sales proposal for signing. I'll start by clicking the New button to create the transaction, and then give a name to the transaction. You can also associate the transaction with a specific Salesforce object if needed. In the Advanced Options tab, you have a number of options available to you, such as setting an expiration date for your transaction, using e-sign conventions to automate and customize OneSpan sign for Salesforce with your organization's sales process, including an email message, using text tags to automatically place signature fields in documents, enabling in-person signing for face-to-face signing scenarios with your prospects and customers, configuring the transaction with reminder settings, and more. Click Next to move on. On this page, there are two important steps. 1. Uploading the documents that need to be signed, and 2. Adding your recipients to the transaction. In this example, I'd like my customer Robert Ray at Acme Inc. to sign a sales proposal. So I click the Add Document button to upload the sales proposal directly into Salesforce. You can also add multiple documents and rearrange the document order as needed. Next, I'll add my signer, Robert Ray, by clicking the Add Recipient button. Because Robert is already a contact in Salesforce, I can pull his record and add him as a signer. You also have the option to add users and leads from Salesforce, or manually add a contact using the External Email option. There's even an option to add a group of signers where one person on behalf of the group may e-sign the transaction. For this transaction, both Robert and I will be signers. You can also add multiple signers and have them sign in any order. Now that the document is uploaded and the signer is identified, we can move on to preparing the document. Click the Prepare button. The designer view will appear. Simply select the signer and drag and drop the necessary signature blocks and fields onto your document. Additional fields such as text boxes, radio buttons, and label fields are also available as data capture options. You also have the option to use different signature capture methods like click to sign, click to initial, and obtaining a handwritten signature. All of your fields are automatically saved. You simply close the window and return to Salesforce to send the transaction. Click Send. Robert is sent an email inviting him to sign the document, and because I'm the sender and already logged into Salesforce, I can go ahead and sign the document by clicking Sign. Click the signature block and then click the Confirm button to complete the e-signing process. OneSpan Sign tamper seals the signature with digital signature technology. Now it's time for Robert to e-sign. He accesses his email and then accesses the document to sign. If he's on the go, he can also e-sign the document on his mobile device. And that's it. The transaction is now completed and both Robert and I can download the e-signed document. Robert is also sent an email confirming that the transaction is complete. Each e-signed document includes tamper-evident signatures, one-click verification, and an embedded audit trail of who signed, when, and in what order. As the sender, I can also go back to the transaction object and download the e-signed document and audit trail from there. All transactions with their associated audit trails are automatically archived in Salesforce. Lastly, Salesforce users that want to monitor the status of their transactions can use the out-of-the-box reports that are included with the OneSpan Sign app. Go to Reports to view a list of the available reports. For example, the OneSpan Sign e-signing status report gives you a breakdown of the transactions in your organization that are in draft mode, sent, and completed. This is a great tool to help you track the progress of transactions within your organization. Try OneSpan Sign for Salesforce and see how easy it is to securely send and sign documents without ever leaving Salesforce. Go to the Salesforce App Exchange to download the app today.